tell you what I saw. When you break it off, you'll see who had it all. You had it all.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing well. I'm staying safe. It's a shopping day, guys. We came to a mall to do shopping for my son. My son is so excited to do shopping. More than a shopping, he would like to have fun in the mall because the playtime, guys, obviously the games area, he'll really love it, and that is the reason he'll come to the mall. We will be busy in shopping. My son always be questioning when is the game time. And of course, we keep postponing him until we finish our shopping. This is Big Bazaar, guys. First, we're gonna see in Big Bazaar. If we like it, we're gonna buy it. Let's go, guys. Here 50% offer is going on, guys. Of course, who are really interested, please visit Big Bazaar. We spent nearly half an hour over here, guys. Now we're going back. We're gonna see another shop, that is Show Off. Big Bazaar is almost done. Now we're going for Show Off. This is kids and this is for adults. And let's go inside, guys. We do have a bit of shopping. Let's see, and then we'll go to the kids Show Off. So yeah, come on, guys, let's go. In Show Off, jeans quality is really good, guys, and even t-shirts are really good and with reasonable prices. Who are interested, please visit Show Off. Now we came to kids Show Off. Here we saw many and we saw few jackets are really looking great, and we are in a search for the party wear. So let's see, guys, we're gonna get it or not. Wow, look at the frogs, guys, looking awesome. This is for boys party wear. It's really stunning. Yeah, and here meanwhile my son started dancing. I don't know from where he got this interest. Suddenly he started dancing watching the mirror. These suits are really very cute, guys. This is for newborn, but yeah, but it's really looking great, guys. This I just asked for my son size, but it's not there. But color and design wise, I really like it. But that's okay. To see, it's awesome. We are almost done with the shopping, guys. And which one we have chosen for our son? You're gonna watch his birthday vlogs. Definitely, I'm gonna post, guys. So please watch his birthday vlogs. It is going to be really rocking. And now we just came to the max. Yeah, let's see. We thought of buying few things for my son, and let's have a look. Here also collections are really good, guys. Here we can see even many things than the clothes. We just purchased few shots for him here, and my son is busy playing. Let him engage here. I'm gonna show you guys many things. These handbags are really beautiful, guys, and very cute also. And footwear really having a good collection here. Here are few artificial jewels. These jewels will suit for western wear. These are pretty cute, guys. Studs. I always love to wear studs only than the hangings. Here are buttas looking awesome. So each pack having nearly 9 or 8 piece, guys, with a pair, I'm telling you, and costing rupees 300 each pack. That's all for today's one, guys. Thanks for being with me again. Let's catch up with the continuation vlog tomorrow. Till then, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is VRK Homemaker.